Alright guys, thanks for stopping in and checking out the channel again. I'm out here at the shop today and did another lift kit on a Jeep Gladiator. This is a 2021 Jeep Gladiator. It only had like 2,000 miles on it. But I just kind of wanted to show you guys that this one here, we did some 37s on it. And it's only got the Mopar 2-inch lift kit, but just kind of want to do a quick little run around. You can see it's got the Fox shocks and stuff. You know, it's just basically your standard Mopar 2-inch lift. But like I said, we did some 37 1250s on it, and I just kind of wanted to show you that they will not rub. Kind of got it flexed out pretty good here, and like I said, this is the closest spot right here that you'll see, and I can still fit my hand in there. And like I said, this thing's actually flexed out almost maxed out to the max that this thing will flex. But like I said, just wanted to give you guys a quick little rundown to show you that you can fit some 37 1250s on these things without them rubbing. So like I said, you step back and look, it don't look that bad in the camera, but that's actually a pretty large, almost vertical incline right there. Like I said, it's I don't know, maybe about 2.5 3 feet tall maybe. But like I said, you can fit some 37s. And like I said, I didn't do a real good video on installing the lift because I've already got a video up of how to install the lift. So if you want to see how to install it, go check out my other video. I'll put it up here in the corner or something. And then like I said, I'll also post up pictures of all the part numbers and everything, the rim offset and all that we ended up using on this thing. So like I said, thanks again for stopping in, checking it out, and hope you guys all have a good day.